Okay, this is a quick demo on how Biosensation is tapping into TensorFlow, Google Cloud, and some of the other things as far as the AI is concerned, as far as learning different shooting techniques so that we can go ahead and track shooters and help people with their anxiety issues, show them what's actually going on here. This is a little application, and what it's set up to do is it goes out and it collects information from a number of different resources, talks to Google Cloud, and goes ahead and uses Google Cloud in this one case, this one video, where we turn around and we feed it video streams, and Google Cloud comes back with a Vision API and tells us basically what it thinks what's going on in these different rooms. So we can support the concept of scenarios out there. We have there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms here. If we look here, there's student. We're set up to handle 6 different students in a stack, and what we do is we color code them. These are the different functions that we can use to support each student. We can track each student on, and we can go out here and we'll turn this on. And you can see here, it's pretty much black and white image. You can see a couple bad guys here. It's a room, a couple of pictures and stuff going on here. Then we can go ahead and we can open up another one of the room with a different type of cameras. And you can see it's pretty dark, but here's the IR cameras that we have out there. And they're actually being driven by Raspberry Pis. They actually work pretty well. And let's see here. So if we go out here and we do something as simple as an analyze. Now, for it to analyze, it's got to be recording. So if I just say, it doesn't matter, give it a session name, say record. And there's Google Cloud coming back with its analysis of what the pictures are and what's actually going on out there like that. We can add some other things out here. If I go ahead and got all sorts of sound effects, lighting effects, and things like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on some lights in the room out here to see if we can't. You'll see how what Google is able to do actually starts to change a little bit. And you can look here. There's an overhead shot of the guy coming through the door. And we use this to see how people's bodies line up when they're actually taking the shot. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on some lights here. We're in a hangar. It's going to take a minute or two for the lights to ramp on up. So what's actually happening here is we're collecting this video, and another video I'll show you some other places we collect. And what we're doing is we're cleaning it up. We're sending it out to Google. Google's coming back and tells us what it thinks is there, and then we put that in the big database on Google, big table, and then we go ahead and we build some neural nets to go ahead and try to learn. And you can see here lights starting to come up here in some of these other rooms. And if you watch over here, you'll see that some of the information starts to change. So what it's doing is we're collecting information on the varying lights with different types of cameras so that we have a variety of data that we can use to go ahead and to train these neural nets. And you can see it's starting to come up even more. And there's a hallway. Which, just different scenarios, different collection points. And that's about it. If you have any questions, give me a call, 603-505-6500. If you have any questions about Google Cloud, Bigtable, TensorFlow, how you can apply some of these technologies to go ahead and learn, and really fairly large scale. This thing is set up to handle about 48,000 streams simultaneously. It doesn't really matter where you are in the world. So, thank you.